Don't be on stage. When you are on stage, straight there, you are in this line. So you are in this line. So the line is up and moving. My name is Aikins Hyde, a dancer and a dance teacher. It is a privilege for me to have a dance improvisational workshop with the School of Performing Arts level 400 students in Ghana, Legon. It's all about finding your place and discovering your environment, both within and without. Precious prime time. Five, six, 1, 2. Okay, we standing in. That's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 times. That is, we do left, we do right, we do left, we do right, and then we calculate. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, my name is Joseph Lyoka. I'm from Ghana. I met Aikins from since 2010, and he has become a good teacher to me. I learned a lot from him, and because before I was a b-boy dancer, and he have teach me the vibration of dance, and he have make me understand that dance is a food for the soul that heal the soul. And I was very happy that I met Mr. Aikins, and now I feel good with dance, and I've learned a lot, and I probably will meet Legon University level 400, and the rest I was very excited, and I'm really interested, and I've also learned something from it so that I can develop my dance, and it's all good.
Òṣogbo tí Òṣogbo làwa ló tọ́ àṣàlà.
Ecco la terra.